Learning one simple trick can save you an entire day and hundreds of dollars by avoiding the rookie homeowner mistake that I made. At the bottom of this hole is a water valve that goes to the sprinkler system. And I thought it was leaking because my water bill was crazy high and there was some water that started showing up here. In fact, this water meter box was completely full. So I dug this thing up, pulled it out, and then realized what I did wrong. So here's my rookie mistake. This valve has an arrow. That's the direction flow goes, in my case, through this valve up to the backflow preventer down here on the side of the house. When the valve is open like this, water flows through nicely. When the valve is shut, water actually comes and it drains out this little hole. And I'll demonstrate this in a moment. Here's what I think happened. Last winter, I took the backflow preventer off the house for the first time. That was recommended so it didn't freeze in the cold winter. When doing that, I think I turned off the valve here. Then, come spring, I put the backflow preventer back in place, came to this valve, slowly turned it on because I wanted to avoid water knock while the pipes filled. But then I failed to fully open it. Instead, I believe I left it partially open. What happened then? That bypass point leaked for months, and that allowed water to bypass and come out this drain hole endlessly. And all I needed to do to fix it was fully open the valve, and then it would stop. Let's hook this up to the hose and demonstrate. Notice, right now, my valve is fully open. If I turn the water on, out it comes. No water is coming out the side here. Now if I shut the valve fully, turn the water on, nothing happens. I'm getting a little leak here where I've screwed this on just as a temporary fix. But again, no water's coming out the side. Now, I want you to imagine this goes out to a sprinkler system, and that sprinkler system is shut. No water's running. There. It's as if the sprinkler line's running. Now watch what happens when the valve is partially open. Right there. I've got water passing through, and there's a leak going on. And when the sprinkler line shuts, all that pressure is going to force it out here like we saw a moment ago. I've got a cap on this, so it's like the sprinkler system is turned off. First, let me open my water supply. Opening the valve. There. See that? There's no water leaking out other than my fitting here that wasn't put on well. But now, watch what happens if this is only partially open. There, you see that? It's letting water through to here, and water's shooting out. So that's the problem that I had. It was my rookie mistake. This did not get fully opened underground. So don't make the same mistake. Once it's open, it is not leaking. When you shut the valve, this weep hole is how it's going to drain to allow the lines to drain and not freeze over the winter. The valve is back installed. Let's open this and see if we get any leaks. Should spray out for a moment and then stop when it's fully opened. Okay, everything's put back together. Had I not turned that valve, had I not disconnected everything, I wouldn't have had to replace all this PVC pipe as well. It's been over 24 hours letting the sprinkler pipe dry. Now we need to find out if it held or if I have leaks and have more problems. Notice it's dry in the bottom. I'm going to open it quickly to limit the amount of water that sprays out as it goes from fully closed to fully open. So far, so good. Let's jump down the hole, look for leaks. This is the moment of truth. Let's see if my sprinkler pipe has held. All right, look at this, no leaks. That is what I love. I'm so happy, no leaks. It's a pain to do a project only to find your first repair isn't working. This is looking pretty good. I hope you found this helpful, saving you time, money, not digging this hole, because it cost me a lot of hours over a few days to get this problem solved, plus hundreds of dollars in water bill costs. And it's a little embarrassing, the whole thing could have been solved with a simple 5-second fix of opening the valve fully. Leave a comment below and smash the like button if you don't want to have the same problem I just did. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips around the home. Have a great day.